In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to find high-traffic keyword ideas in just a few minutes. Let's get started. I'll start by heading over to the Perplexity homepage and clicking directly into the search bar to enter my initial prompt. I'm typing in a request for 10 trending long-tail keywords related to sustainable home office furniture, specifically asking for current rising trends, primary search intent, and potential blog titles. Once I click the search button, Perplexity begins scanning the web and synthesizing current data to provide the most relevant results for today's market. The output is organized into a clear, easy-to-read table that identifies keywords like bamboo desks and reclaimed wood furniture while categorizing them by intent, such as product research or safety-focused queries. Moving on, I'll use the follow-up feature to dive into a different niche by typing a new request into the box at the bottom. Here, I'm looking for low-competition keywords for AI-powered task management tools, specifically targeting the needs of remote project managers. I've also added a request for YouTube video titles and a description of the target audience's main pain points to ensure the content is highly targeted and useful. As the AI generates the second list, you can see it pinpointing specific issues like team coordination gaps and the need for workflow automation. These detailed insights provide a comprehensive roadmap for content creation, allowing me to address real-world problems with precise, data-driven solutions. Using Perplexity in this way effectively streamlines the entire research process, turning complex data into a simple, actionable plan for any digital project. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.